So this morning, at 8 a.m. I started with the future of data protection because DLP is the next one of the big next items on our list, and I'm really interested in the DLP providers. So the topic was from Securno. It's the beyond regular expressions, the future of data protection. So my expectation about this session was, I can find something new regarding the DLP besides the regular expressions. But I didn't get a lot of that. It was more on the, theory side, like what's a linguistic query, how we can do it. Of course, those are, interesting, that's an interesting research. But I was looking for, maybe that was just me, more practical implications and how we can use it in our approach. When I get there, I already knew regular expressions were not cutting it, but like the 70% of the whole presentation about why regular expressions were not good enough, and I already knew that. So then I attended. To one of the business security business sessions. This was good because of the participants. There was the 451 group, Nick Selby, and there was the IDC person, Christiansen. John Pescatore from Gartner was there, and it was moderated by Sarah Freer from Goldman. So the topics, there wasn't a real topic. They talk about almost everything, and I had two things there. The first thing is how we define the cloud computing, and I believe even between the speakers, they didn't have the same feeling of what cloud computing is. So I think we need more work there. Cloud computing has to be defined. After that, the second question was what we mean by SMB. I actually want to ask that question to the Goldman person because SMBs, as far as I can see, the way they are looking at security is different. So, and how they will spend in 2009, we don't know. The good part is that according to all the research, that security is the least affected market for budget cuts. So it's like 2% down, where we are looking at 9 to 12% cuts on the other IT budget. So it's relatively good thing. It's the worst. It's not the worst of everything. So it's good. So according to 2009 CIO survey, top three things are, and this is verified by multiple researchers, is the first one is the cost control. The second one is show IT value to the business, and like compliance, BCP, or any other way, like showing IT's value. And the third thing is security. So security is in the top three list, which is a good thing. And they mentioned about multiple deals are happening in information security space, which is good, but it's not I really like the wording, like it's not the resurrection of exuberance in deals. So if there is exuberance, that means security market is hot, and currently it's not that hot. So. And I also learned that Gartner is recommending their customers to beat up the vendors, and that's also very interesting. So and also another interesting thing was the European vendors are going more local instead of working with North American security providers because of the budget cuts. So that may actually change the the way how we are looking at the solutions. So after that, I attended two peer-to-peer sessions. I will cover them later. But today it was the Cisco CEO John Chambers was speaking. It was a good presentation. I really liked the layout of the presentation. And Cisco is right about how they cover the market, how big they are. It's very interesting, and also their view on security and the collaboration. All those voice security of voice, wireless, and how those different markets are merging together. And I agree with the keynote speaker on how things will change soon, and I will cover that more tomorrow.